What's going down, everybody? We're back again. Creased unboxing. This is a size 11.5. You see what that is already right there. Wow. Oh yeah, you see her? Everybody's gonna talk about the official little stamp. It is. And yes, they are. Wow. These are the bubbles. Colorway Blue Chill and Deep Royal Blue. So everybody's been talking about the textures here. Since it's bubbles and we're going with the whole blue theme, it's some type of fish scale. But it's really cool feeling. It's a little bit more durable than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like kind of slick. Other than that, yeah, you got the bright yellow laces to match with the yellow swoosh right along the side. Branding all the way down the tongue. It's got the kind of like wet, watery look. Like a drip almost. Get the eye in the back, looking down for her. Sticker, you see it. Glitter and sparkles around the SB logo as read bubbles. The satin lining on these throughout. Is the Mojo Jojo joint. Are you kidding me? She says, hope y'all loved them. Let me know what you think in the comments. Shout out to Nike SB collaborating with Cartoon Network on a super duper fire pair of shoes.